Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be painting my nails with Bases Loaded Lacquer SB-22. I've started off with Nailtique's Formula 2 and here is Bases Loaded Lacquer SB-22. Beautiful green polish with some flakies in it. And I'll be honest, I got this on my nails, loved it the way it was, and I just never got around to doing any nail art on it. But I still wanted to share it because it's so pretty. Giving me Christmas vibes for sure. Like Christmas trees and cranberries, you know? I mean, just, ugh. So all I'm getting is a short video of just me painting my nails. Imagine that. It doesn't happen often, but it does happen. So here we are. We're doing a third coat. And for as short as my nails are, that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to go any further. It's kind of jelly-like, so 3 coats was okay for me. Awesome. We're going to top it with I&M out the door. And once I'm done with this is going to be it. I mean, sorry it's such a short video, but it's so pretty. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Good job. Good job. Got my cleanup brush. I got this one off of Temu, and I really do like it, but it's a colored brush, and it's kind of like bleeding brown. You don't see it on this, but on my paper towel when I wipe off, it's got some kind of color coming off. So there is my manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this short one. And that is it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.